Hello learners. Sometimes you face there is a issue will become when you are running your test cases Java heaps space exception in thread or Java heap space. So this type of exception is coming. So this is happen because of the low heap size. How to increase those heap size? Go to their location. So this is for the Mac or Linux users. First, here you need to search for the in bin location. Just search for the JMeter, not jmeter.sh, only JMeter. And here you need to search for heap, and you can see uh, there is a heap size is mentioned. Right now it is 1 GB and maximum is 1 GB. So you can increase up to 80% of your memory. So let's assume my machine is having 16 GB right now. So when I press I and move to this location and I increased to 4. So this as per my requirement. So you can go up to the 80 GB. Escape to queue, save and restart your JMeter. And those who are working in Windows machine, so they can go to jmeter.bat. Here again they need to search for the heap, and here they can I already opened this jmeter batch in my um, some line text, so you can see here they can mention up to, so I can go up to 8. So in Windows the batch this bat is used, and in Linux and Mac machine they need to update in on only JMeter file, not jmeter.sh. Remember JMeter. Thank you. Happy learning.